Have you wondered what would be the future design of a super tall skyscraper? There are skyscrapers that are set to be built in cities across the globe, including a pair of twisting towers in Australia, and the buildings battling to become Africa's tallest. For some, an inspiring beacon of progress, and for others, emblematic of economic inequalities. Neck-craning skyscrapers continue to capture the public's imagination. However, super tall skyscrapers, which are buildings over 300 meters tall, are increasingly appearing in our cities. So, here are skyscrapers that are being built around the world, each in a different city. Number 10. Varso Tower. Varso Tower is a skyscraper located in Warsaw, Poland, designed by Foster & Partners. It is an office building that is currently under construction and set to complete in late 2022. At 310 meters, it is the tallest building in Poland and the European Union, narrowly beating out the Shard in London. The building features a tapering form with a rounded top and a curved glass and steel facade. The interior is designed to be flexible and adaptable to meet the needs of different tenants. Varso Tower is also designed to be energy efficient and sustainable, with a Bremen Outstanding rating. The building will offer a range of amenities, including a conference center, restaurants, cafes, and retail space. Varso Tower is set to become a landmark of the city and the region, and it symbolizes Poland's progress and growth as a modern, forward-thinking nation. Number 9. The Spiral, New York City. The Spiral is a 314-meter tall office tower designed by Danish architecture firm BIG, located in the Hudson Yards area of Manhattan in New York City, USA. It is set to become the headquarters of Pfizer, the pharmaceutical company that produced one of the COVID-19 vaccines. The building is named after its distinctive step terraces that wrap around the setbacks, providing outdoor space and greenery on every floor. The building's design emphasizes sustainability and wellness, with features such as natural light, fresh air, and views of the city. The Spiral also includes a range of amenities, including retail and dining spaces, a fitness center, and a landscaped terrace. The building is set to be completed in 2022, and in June 2022 the facade was completed and is poised to become an iconic landmark of New York City's skyline. Number 8. A District, Tokyo. A District is a mixed-use skyscraper located in Tokyo, Japan, designed by Pelly Clark and Partners. The tower stands at a height of 330 meters and is also expected to be completed in 2023. It will become Japan's tallest building, surpassing the Abino Arkuas Tower in Osaka, which stands at 300 meters. The tower will contain offices, luxury apartments, a hotel, a retail space. The design of the tower features a tapering form with a triangular motif, and it will be clad in glass and steel. The building will also feature a range of sustainable technologies, including solar panels and rainwater harvesting systems. While A District will hold the title of Japan's tallest building for a brief period, a taller tower is already planned for Tokyo by Su Fujimoto Architects and Mitsubishi Jisho Seikei. Number 7. Azrieli Tower. The Azrieli Tower is a mixed-use skyscraper located in Tel Aviv, Israel, designed by the architecture firm Kohn Pedersen Fox. The tower is set to be the country's first super tall building, standing at a planned height of 350 meters. The tower's design features a unique shape that resembles an unfolding scroll, with a sleek and modern facade made of glass and steel. The tower will house offices, luxury apartments, and a hotel. A viewing area at the top of the building will be open to the public, offering panoramic views of the city, the Mediterranean Sea, and on a clear day, Jerusalem. The Azrieli Tower is set to become a new icon of Tel Aviv's skyline, showcasing the city's economic and cultural growth. Number 6. STH BNK, Australia. STH BNK is a multi-use development located in Melbourne, Australia, designed by Dutch architecture firm UN Studio and Australian studio Cox Architecture. The project was chosen by developer Belula International following a design competition that saw several major architecture firms participate. Once complete, STH BNK will feature 2 towers, with the taller of the 2 set to become the tallest building in Oceania, standing at a height of 356.2 meters. The tower's defining feature is a twisting green spine, which will house public spaces, including a publicly accessible botanical garden at the top. The development will also include retail and dining spaces, residential apartments, and office spaces. STH BNK is set to become a landmark of Melbourne's skyline, showcasing innovative architecture and sustainable design. If you're enjoying this video, consider hitting the like button and subscribing to not miss our videos. Number 5. F Tower, Abidjan, Ivory Coast. F Tower is a skyscraper designed by Lebanese Ivorian architect Pierre Bakouri and developer PFO Africa for the Ivorian city of Abidjan. The building, which began construction in 2021, is aiming to become the tallest tower in Africa, although its final height has not been confirmed. Initially, Bloomberg reported that it would reach a height of 283 meters, but a recent article in Afrique magazine suggested it may be closer to 400 meters. The F Tower will serve as a headquarters for the Ivorian government, housing ministries and offices, as well as luxury residences, a hotel, and commercial spaces. It will also feature a 360-degree observation deck, offering panoramic views of the city and the surrounding area. The tower's design takes inspiration from traditional Ivorian woven fabrics and features a lattice-like facade. Number 4. Nanjing International Financial Center, Nanjing, China. It was designed by Skidmore, Owings & Merrill, SOM. The Nanjing International Financial Center, designed by SOM, is currently under construction in Nanjing, China. Standing at a height of 499.8 meters, it will be one of the tallest buildings in China and the world upon completion. The tower's design was inspired by curved gateways of Nanjing's ancient city walls, and its structural arches contribute to its stability and efficiency. The building will have a mixed-use program with offices, retail, a hotel, and observation decks at the top. Its shape tapers as it rises, giving it slender and elegant appearance. The tower is expected to be completed in 2023, and it will become a landmark in the city's growing skyline. Number 3. The Line, Saudi Arabian Desert. The Line is an ambitious development project in Saudi Arabia, part of the planned city of Neom, designed by U.S. architecture firm Morphosis. The Line is a 170-kilometer linear city consisting of two 500-meter-tall mirrored slabs running 200 meters apart. The development aims to create a sustainable, car-free city that can accommodate a population of 1 million people.
نقدم لكم The Line. مدينة مليونية بطول 170 كيلو.
The Line will be powered by 100% renewable energy and will feature state-of-the-art technology and infrastructure, including an AI-based healthcare system. Piling work for the project has already begun, and the first phase is expected to be completed by 2030. Despite some skepticism regarding the project's feasibility, the Line is set to become a groundbreaking example of futuristic urban planning and sustainable design. Number 2. Merdeka 118. The skyscraper is located in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and is currently under construction. It is designed by the Australian architecture firm Bender Cazalis. Once completed, it will be the tallest building in Southeast Asia and the second tallest in the world after the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. The tower will have 118 floors and a height of 678.9 meters. Its design is inspired by the country's cultural heritage and features a faceted facade composed of triangular glass planes. These triangular facets are based on patterns found in Malaysian art and craft, and they create a shimmering effect when viewed from a distance. The tower will have a mix of uses, including office space, luxury residences, a hotel, and retail outlets. The lower floors of the building will contain a large shopping mall, while the upper floors will be dedicated to offices, apartments, and a hotel. One of the unique features of the Merdeka 118 is its sky lobby located on the 78th floor. This space will offer panoramic views of the city and will be open to the public, with restaurants, cafes, and observation decks. Overall, it's a bold and innovative addition to Kuala Lumpur's skyline, and it is set to become a landmark of the city and the region. Number 1. Jeddah Tower, Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Designed by Adrian Smith and Gordon Gill Architecture, is a planned skyscraper located in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. The tower was planned to stand at a height of over 1,000 meters, making it by far the world's tallest building and surpassing the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. However, the project has faced numerous delays since construction began in 2013, and satellite images show little progress at the site in recent years. The tower was originally expected to be completed in 2020, but this has been pushed back to an unknown date. The tower is intended to be a mixed-use development featuring luxury apartments, offices, and a hotel. The design of the tower is sleek and modern, featuring a tapering form with a triangular motif and a facade made up of glass and steel. Once completed, Jeddah Tower will be a new symbol of Saudi Arabia's economic and cultural ambitions. However, these all-futuristic super-tall skyscrapers are continuing to be built around the world, with architects and developers pushing the limits of height and design. These structures will not only shape the skylines of major cities, but also provide new spaces for living, working, and experiencing urban environments in innovative ways. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'm sure you're going to love to watch our video about these futuristic cities will be built around the world. Make sure to click the subscribe button for future notifications and never miss amazing videos like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.